Welcome back, Healthy Club fans. Do you love grilled, roasted, or fried foods? What if I told you your favorite cooking methods could be secretly aging your body, raising inflammation, and even disrupting your hormones? Imagine eating a meal that tastes amazing, but is quietly increasing your risk for chronic disease. Stay until the end, because I'll reveal science-backed ways to cook smarter that protect your body, balance hormones, and even support longevity. High-heat cooking, grilling, roasting, frying, pan-searing, produces Advanced Glycation End Products, AGEs. AGEs accelerate cellular aging, increase oxidative stress, and contribute to chronic inflammation, diabetes, heart disease, and kidney damage. Hormonal impact. AGEs can disrupt insulin, estrogen, and cortisol pathways. Studies show diets high in AGEs worsen insulin sensitivity and may exacerbate hormonal imbalance in both men and women. Overcooked or charred meat can contribute to high blood pressure and metabolic stress. Heterocyclic Amines, HCAs, and Polycyclic Aromatic Hydrocarbons, PAHs, form when proteins are exposed to very high heat. Both are carcinogenic and induce oxidative stress, DNA damage, and inflammation. Charred edges are visually tempting but increase aging markers in the body. Example: a study shows frequent grilled meat eaters have up to 17% higher blood pressure risk. Steaming and boiling. Use lower temperatures to preserve nutrients and reduce age formation. Marinating meats. Use acidic marinades, lemon juice, vinegar, plus antioxidant herbs, rosemary, thyme, to reduce harmful compounds by up to 90%. Gentle roasting. Bake at lower temperatures to minimize oxidation. Let's not forget that marinated foods with acidic ingredients like lemon juice should not be placed directly on aluminum foil in the oven, because it can produce harmful compounds. The combination of high heat and acid can increase oxidative potential and cellular damage, and may raise the risk of being carcinogenic. Avoid overcooking. Limit charring. Keep internal temperature safe, but not excessive. Add quick cooking demo. Marinate chicken, plus steam, plus light sear. Antioxidant-rich foods, berries, leafy greens, herbs, neutralize free radicals from occasional high-heat meals. Omega-3 fatty acids, salmon, chia, walnuts, reduce inflammation and support hormonal balance. High-fiber vegetables help estrogen detox, improve gut microbiome, and enhance hormone signaling. Optional tip: combine Cooking Smart plus antioxidant foods for double protection. Pre-cook meats lightly in the oven, finish briefly on the grill for flavor. Cook in steam baskets or slow cookers for tender, nutrient-rich meals. Non-stick or cast iron pans with moderate heat reduce burning. Rotate cooking methods weekly. One day roast, one day steam, one day boil. Add herbs and spices, turmeric, rosemary, thyme, to inhibit age formation and boost flavor. Explain mechanism of AGEs. Sugar, plus protein, draw fat at high heat, oxidative stress, inflammation, hormonal disruption, how HCAs and PAHs damage DNA, aging, metabolic imbalance, hormone interference. Include recent research, Nature Reviews Endocrinology, 2025, lower heat cooking reduces oxidative stress markers. Harvard Health Study, 2024, marinating reduces carcinogenic compound formation by 80–90%. If you like science-backed tips like this, hit that like button. Breakfast, steamed vegetables, plus eggs, plus turmeric seasoning. Lunch, boiled or lightly roasted salmon, plus leafy greens, plus avocado. Dinner, slow-cooked chicken with herbs, plus quinoa, plus roasted colorful veggies at low temperature. Quick tip: even your favorite barbecue can be safer if you marinate, plus pre-cook, plus add antioxidant-rich side dishes. Recap: high heat cooking, harmful compounds, hormone and longevity impact. Solution: cook smarter, eat antioxidants, rotate methods, and marinate meats. Key takeaway: small kitchen adjustments can protect your cells, reduce inflammation, and balance your hormones, without sacrificing flavor. If this helped, like, subscribe, and turn on the bell. Comment below which method you'll try first. Your kitchen can actually make you younger.